Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to learn how to concatenate Panda data frames. So alright, last time we were working with our file object and learning how to take an Excel file and then go ahead and create two data frames. But now let's say that you're like, you need to start really analyzing these, and so we need them together. And this is what we do here. We take one subject and we add one upon the other. So it's so very important, if you haven't subscribed yet and hit that notification bell, that you go ahead and do that now. So alright, I'm going to show you one way to do this. So alright, here we are. We have two different data frames. So we're going to take a peek at panda.concat. Oops, let's do help.panda.concat. Alright. So the way that it likes to operate is it is going to expect an object, and the object is a sequence. So we're going to give it a list. We're going to give it a list of these two data frames, and then we need to also worry about the index, but we're going to do this baby steps. So, alright, here we go. So we're going to name a new data frame .pd concat, and don't forget our object's got to be sequence. So we're going to give it a list of 1, 2 data frames. Close this out, and then we call this. Alright, awesome. But we have a little bit of a problem. Our index is off. So let's look back more closely at concat. Let's make sure we can see this. Yep, you can see it right here. Ignore index. It defaults to false. All we do is change it to true. Pass in the list again, our sequence, df _1, comma df _2. Close out our list. I always spell ignore wrong. Ignore index. Change this to true. Close out. Call our data frame, and boom. Index 0 to 31. 32 entries. And there we go. So that is one way we will continue to work with this. And this is just combining on the columns. There are ways to combine on the rows. Alright? So, going down and going across. There are other ways to do this. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. You guys are the best audience. I cannot believe the growth and the feedback and just everything we have. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.